Hi guys, myself Meenal Jain. We are continuing with the session of differentiation. In the previous session, we had discussed the formulas of derivatives of composite function. I hope you all have gone through the formulas. So now we are taking some problems based on derivatives of composite function. The question written here is differentiate the following with respect to x. We are taking one problem, that is y is equal to root of cos x cube. Now first of all, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. It understood? Here we need to apply the chain rule. That means first you are supposed to do the differentiation of root. We know the formula that d by dx of fx raised to the power n is equal to n fx raised to the power n minus 1 into f dash x. This is the formula. So the same formula we are applying here. So this will give you dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root cos x cube. The differentiation of root is this. Now into d by dx of fx. The function is cos x cube. So again 1 upon 2 root cos x cube into differentiation of cos is minus sine x cube into d by dx of function, here it is x cube. So this will give you 1 upon 2 root cos x cube into minus sine x cube into the differentiation of x raised to the power n is n x raised to the power n minus 1, that is 3x square. Write down this answer properly. Dy by dx is equal to 3x square in front and minus sign, minus 3x square sine x cube upon 2 root cos x cube. This is the value of dy by dx. So understood guys, we are applying the chain rule. First you need to differentiate the square root, take the cos x cube as function, then again differentiate cos, take x cube as the function, and then last d by dx of x cube. So taking one more example, let's take y is equal to tan bracket cos sine x bracket close. So differentiate with respect to x. So first of all we need to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of tan cos sine x. So first of all you need to differentiate this tan. The differentiation of tan is sec square and this is your function. So this gives you sec square cos sine x bracket close into d by dx of cos sine x bracket close. This is same sec square cos sine x. Now you need to differentiate this cos. The differentiation of cos is minus sine. So minus sine sine x minus sine sine x bracket close into d by dx of sine x. So copy the same sec square cos sine x bracket close minus sine of sine x bracket close, and d by dx of sine x is cos x into cos x. Take the minus sign outside for the final answer. Dy by dx is equal to minus sec square cos sine x bracket sine of sine x into cos x. This is the final answer. So understood this? Here in this sum we have differentiated first tan, taking cos sin x as the function, then we had differentiated cos, taking sin x as the function. Chain rule you need to apply, differentiate each function in the given problem. Now taking next problem for the same derivatives of composite function, let's take third problem, that is y is equal to 5 raised to the power sine cube x plus 3. So first statement is same, differentiate with respect to x. Here we can use the formula of d by dx of a raised to the power fx. So that formula is a raised to the power fx log a into f dash x. Here the value of a is 5. fx is sine cube x plus 3. So we are getting dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 5 raised to the power sine cube x plus 3 bracket close, that is equal to a raised to the power fx means a raised to the power fx, that is 5 sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 because a is 5 into d by dx of sine cube x plus 3 bracket close. So same, write down 5 sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into bracket. First of all d by dx of sine cube x. Sine cube x can be written as sine x whole cube plus d by dx of 3 bracket close. This is 5 sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into, here you can apply the formula of x raised to the power n or fx raised to the power n, that is n fx raised to the power n minus 1 into f dash x. So this will give you 3 sin x, 3 minus 1 that is 2 into d by dx of sine x bracket close plus d by dx of constant term is 0. So this is 5 raised to the power sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 bracket 3. This can be written as sine square x. This is the differentiation of sine x is cos x bracket close. So your final answer is 5 raised to the power sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into 3 sine square x cos x. This is dy by dx. Next problem we will take y is equal to sine root of sine root x. So again differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sine root x. So in order to differentiate this, apply chain rule. First of all you need to differentiate this sine. The differentiation of sine is cos fx. So this is cos root of sine root x into d by dx of root of sine root x. Chain rule we are applying. First we are differentiating this sine, that means cos root of sine root x into d by dx of this root sine root x. Now write down this same cos sine root x into, differentiate this root, that is 1 upon 2 root sine root x into d by dx of function is sine root x. So this gives you cos root of sine root x upon 2 root of sine root x into differentiation of sine, that is cos root x into d by dx of root x. So this gives you cos root of sine root x upon 2 root of sine root x into cos root x into differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. No more remaining function is there. So this is the complete answer. We had differentiated each and every function by using the chain rule. So write down the answer properly. That is cos of root sine root x into cos root x upon 2 to the 4 root x into root sine root x. That is dy by dx. The solution for this problem, that is y is equal to sine of root sine root x. This is dy by dx, and by using chain rule. Thank you so much guys. That's all for this session. If you are having any queries, ask in the comment box. In the next session, we'll continue with some more problems based on these formulas. But do remember, there is no limit of practicing maths. So do refer your books and solve more problems. Till then, stay tuned. Love maths, solve maths. Bye.